Group M will use the services of well-known advertising and public relation companies like Hill and Knowlton Strategies, Ogilvy, and Hogwarts Worldwide to help Ukraine with its image and its economic recovery. But Chavez had long stated that he would like to sell more Venezuelan oil to China so his country would become more independent of the United States. So what did he respond with? Well, did you know the Pentagon and CIA pushed Venezuela regime change propaganda in video games? Also, did you know New York Times published an article, the CIA propaganda in Venezuela? Socialism is a slippery business.